Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you claim someone else's unclaimed property? It's a tempting thought. You're browsing your state's unclaimed property website and see a name you recognize, maybe an old neighbor or even a company that used to be in town, with thousands of dollars just sitting there waiting. The short, direct answer is no, you cannot legally claim property that does not belong to you. Let's break down why and explore the one way you can get involved. Unclaimed property isn't free money or a government giveaway, it's lost money. It comes from dormant bank accounts, uncashed paychecks, insurance policy payouts, forgotten utility deposits, or stocks and bonds where the company has lost contact with the owner. When an account is inactive for a certain period, usually a few years, the company is legally required to turn that money over to the state for safekeeping. The state then acts as a custodian, holding the property indefinitely until the rightful owner or their legal heir comes forward to claim it. To make a claim, you have to prove you are that rightful owner. This involves providing personal identification like a driver's license, a social security number, and proof of past addresses that match the records associated with the property. If you are not the person listed, you simply cannot provide this proof. Now, what if the owner is deceased? The property doesn't become a free-for-all. It legally belongs to their estate and must be distributed to their heirs according to a will or state law. An heir would have to prove their relationship to the deceased by providing documents like a death certificate, a will, or birth certificates to establish their right to the property. So, while you can't just take the money, there is a legitimate way to profit from this information. This is through a business known as an heir finder or asset locator. These are professionals, sometimes licensed as private investigators, who specialize in locating the rightful owners or heirs of unclaimed property. They do the detective work, tracking people down who often have no idea the money even exists. Once they find the owner, they don't just give them the information for free. They offer a service. They'll present the owner with a contract that states they will assist in filing the claim and navigating the paperwork in exchange for a percentage of the recovered funds. This fee is almost always regulated by state law and is typically capped at around 10 to 15%. This is a crucial point. Operating as a finder is a real business with serious legal rules. Many states require you to be licensed, and there are strict regulations about when you can approach an owner and how much you can charge. You can't just find a name online, call them up, and demand a cut. Doing so without following the proper legal channels could land you in serious trouble. So, to recap, you personally cannot claim another person's property. It is protected for them and their family. However, you can build a legitimate business as a licensed finder, helping people reconnect with their lost assets for a fee. It requires research, diligence, and strict adherence to the law. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video clarified the rules around unclaimed property. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more financial insights.